Welcome to Form Accounting session 45. The previous session was regarding simple problems on crop account. This session is regarding problems on trading account, profit and loss account with balance sheet. Let's see the problem. From the following, trial balance of a farmer prepared trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Opening stock, this has to be debited to the trading account. Purchaser, this has to be debited to the trading account. Crop expenses, this has to be debited to the trading account. Cattle expenses, this has to be debited to the trading account. General expenses, this is an indirect expense, this has to be debited to the profit and loss account. Land is an asset, tractor is an asset, cash is an asset. Sales has to be credited to the trading account. Creditor is a liability. Loan from bank at 8% interest is a liability. Capital, this has to be recorded in the liability side of the balance sheet. Adjustments. Closing stock. In closing stock we have cattle, wheat, cattle feed, fertilizer. This has to be credited to the trading account and this is recorded as closing stock in the asset side of the balance sheet. Provide 10% depreciation on tractor. Depreciation has to be debited to the profit and loss account and the depreciation amount has to be deducted in the tractor amount in the balance sheet. Interest on loan is outstanding, that is 8% interest. This has to be debited to the profit and loss account and it is treated as liabilities. The proprietor has consumed the following items out of his farm output: dairy product, wheat. This is treated as drawings and drawings has to be credited to the trading account and drawings has to be deducted in the capital in the liability side of the balance sheet. Let's see the trading and profit and loss account. Debit side we have entered opening stock, purchases, crop expenses, cattle expenses. The credit side we have entered salary, sales, drawings, closing stock. The difference what we get is gross profit carried down and this is brought down in the profit and loss account. Gross profit has been brought down. On the debit side, general expenses, depreciation on tractor, interest on loan is recorded, difference is net profit. Balance sheet. Capital, net profit has to be added to the capital, drawings has to be deducted. Loan from bank, creditors, outstanding interest has been recorded. In the asset side, tractor less depreciation, land, closing stock, cash is recorded, balance sheet is tallied. Now let's see the next problem. From the following trial balance and additional information, prepare crop and livestock account and final accounts of the farm for the year ending 31st March 2020. So we have to prepare crop account and livestock account in the trading account. Opening stock. Opening stock has to be debited to the trading account. Livestock amount has to be entered in the livestock column. Paddy in the crop column. Cattle feed in the livestock column. Fertilizer and seeds in the crop column. Capital, the liability side of the balance sheet. Land and building, it is an asset. Farm equipment, it is an asset. Debtor, it is an asset. Creditor, it is a liability. Bank is an asset. Cash is an asset. Outstanding general expenses, it is a liability. But purchases, in purchases has to be debited to the crop and livestock account. Repairs and maintenance expenses, in this crop in the crop column, livestock in the livestock column, general expenses in the profit and loss account on the debit side. Sales has to be credited to the livestock account and crop account. Additional information. Closing stock, livestock, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizer, seeds. This has to be credited to the trading account as well as recorded as closing stock in the asset side of the balance sheet. Provide depreciation 5% on land and building. Depreciation on land and building, this has to be debited to the profit and loss account and depreciation has to be deducted in land and building amount in the asset side of the balance sheet. And 10% of 10% on farm equipment. Depreciation on farm equipment, that has to be debited to the profit and loss account, and that amount has to be deducted in the farm equipment in the balance sheet. The owner withdrew the following from the firm, that is milk, paddy. This is treated as drawings. Drawings has to be credited to the trading account, and drawings has to be deducted in the capital in the balance sheet. Now let's see the crop and livestock account. So in the livestock crop and livestock account, opening stock, purchases and expenses has been debited. Sales, drawing, closing stock has been credited. Difference what we get, that is gross profit. Gross profit is carried down. The profit and loss account, gross profit is brought down from the crop account and livestock account. All general expenses, there is indirect expenses, repairs and maintenance, general expenses, depreciation on land and building, depreciation on farm equipment has been recorded in the debit side. The difference what we get is net profit. Balance sheet. Next, the balance sheet, in the liability side, we have capital. Net profit has been added, drawings has been deducted, and creditors, outstanding expenses has been recorded. Asset side, land and building, depreciation amount is deducted. Farm equipment, depreciation on farm equipment has been deducted. Closing stock values has been written. Debtors, bank and cash has been recorded. Balance sheet is tallied. Thank you.